عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. اللهم صل على سيدنا محمد وعلى آل سيدنا Muhammad wa barik wasallam. Welcome to Usman Nizami channel. In this video, we are going to learn Hazrat Nuh alayhi salam story. In the period of Hazrat Nuh alayhi salam, one old woman was there. She requested, so whenever the punishment, whenever the azab will come, and whenever you prepare the ship, please tell me, I will also come in your ship. Hazrat Nuh alayhi salam said that, definitely I will tell you. My dear friends, when Hazrat Nuh alayhi salam was preparing the ship, as we know that who is Hazrat Nuh alayhi salam? Hazrat Nuh alayhi salam is second Adam alayhi salam. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has given him the very big age of 950 years. So Hazrat Nuh alayhi salam spread the Islam, explain the Islam, tell about the Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, but some people did not believe. So for giving the punishment, what happened in the desert? So we cannot imagine that there the water can come, and that one also cyclone, no one can believe. So Hazrat Nuh alayhi salam stopped them from wrong and bad things, but the kuffar mushrikeen, but the disbelievers did not listen. Hazrat Nuh alayhi salam is here. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has ordered the Nuh alayhi salam to prepare a very big ship. So in that time, those who were believers, those who were mu'mins, Hazrat Nuh alayhi salam said them, so all of you come in the ship, as well as all the birds, all the animals. So in the couple, Hazrat Nuh alayhi salam ordered them to come and sit in the ship. When Hazrat Nuh alayhi salam was preparing the ship and telling the people, in that time the disbelievers and the kuffar and mushrikeen, they were laughing. They were telling that how it is possible that here in the desert there the rain come, and that one also in the cyclone method. No. So they were laughing. But those who were Mu'min Musalman, they believe that definitely, because Hazrat Nuh alayhi salam is prophet of Allah Ta'ala. Whatever Hazrat Nuh alayhi salam tells, that is fact and that is truth. So when one old woman listened that Hazrat Nuh alayhi salam is making, Hazrat Nuh alayhi salam is preparing a ship, because the punishment, the azab is coming in cyclone way. The water will come, and what will happen, that one also is the cyclone will come, all the people will drown in water. Only those who will sit in the ship of Hazrat Nuh alayhi salam, they can save their lives and their iman. So this old woman went near the Hazrat Nuh alayhi salam and said that, Ya Nuh alayhi salam, please tell me, whenever this cyclone punishment will come, inform me, tell me, I will also come and join in the ship. Hazrat Nuh alayhi salam agreed and said that definitely I will tell you. But when the time came, when the order came, Hazrat Nuh alayhi salam said all the moments and all the persons, and already the ship was prepared and all the persons they came and sat in the ship. But Hazrat Nuh alayhi salam forgot to tell this old woman. So the cyclone came and the ship is going, and the punishment of cyclone came and the ship stopped in one place, and all the mu'minin and all the birds and animals come down. Then these old women came near the Nuh alayhi salam and asked that, Nuh alayhi salam, you have told me that when the punishment of cyclone will come, you will tell me, I can come and I can join in the ship. Hazrat Nuh alayhi salam said that, O old woman, already the cyclone has come and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has drawn all the disbelievers and kuffar and mushrikeen, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has saved the mu'mineen, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has saved the Muslimin. So these old women said that definitely Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has saved me in my old hut. As Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has saved you in cyclone, in the ship, in the same way Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has saved me in my hut. So in this small and the prophet story, what is the lesson? Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala can save. When Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala want to save us, He can save through our medicines or without the medicines. So all of us believe in the medicines and we spend lakhs of rupees and we search very costly hospital because we have the wealth. But when Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala want to save us, so from small roots, from small things. So if we eat, we can become the healthy. The main thing is that if the health is good or if the health is bad, definitely we can go to the hospital, definitely we should eat the medicines. But what we should believe, the diseases also coming from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's side and the health also coming from the Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's side. So first the Islamic, the Mu'min belief should be there that everything Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala gives. So definitely Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala save us from all the diseases. So here how Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has saved one old woman from the cyclone. So in the same way, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala save us from anywhere. So the main beliefs, the Mu'min's belief should be there that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, whatever Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala wants, definitely He can do it. So always we should turn towards Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and as we know, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has ordered us to read 5-time namaz. Why? So you can come near to the Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and raise the hand and ask that, oh Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, save us from the in these world's problems. So, my dear friends, here I am stopping and I am praying that, oh Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, save us from these world punishments. Oh Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, say whatever the diseases and problems are coming in our life, oh Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, save us. Oh Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, save us from the enemies. Oh Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, save us from all the problems which are coming. My dear friends, please comment, suggest, and advise me and pray for me. Thank you for watching my videos.